Meet one man, a legendary leader who changed history. How did he transform a divided region to unity and take back one of the most important cities in history? Curious how? In just 5.5 minutes, uncover the legacy of Salahuddin, also known as Saladin, and gain life-changing lessons that took centuries to unfold. In the busy city of Tikrit, in modern-day Iraq, a boy named Yusuf ibn Ayyub, Yusuf ibn Ayyub, was born in 1137. This boy, later known as Salahuddin, Salah ad-Din, grew up during a time of great conflict. Salahuddin's family was of Kurdish noble background. His early years were full of political instability. His father, Najmuddin Ayyub, Najm ad-Din Ayyub, was a commander under Zinki, the ruler of Mosul. Young Salahuddin learned about military strategy and leadership from a very young age. Imagine the world of the 12th century. The Crusades were happening, and the Muslim world was divided into many groups. Salahuddin learned the importance of unity and leadership in this environment. The city of Tikrit, where Salahuddin was born, is in present-day Iraq. Knowing this helps us understand the political landscape that shaped his early life. A famous story from Salahuddin's childhood tells how he helped a group of lost soldiers find their way back to camp. This showed his early leadership skills and hinted at his future as a capable and caring leader. As Salahuddin grew older, his journey took unexpected turns. Stay tuned to see how he went from a young boy in Tikrit to a key player in history.